There has never been anything like it. CubiForm Systems introduces a newly patented technology that spins a few kilograms of 100% recyclable polyethylene into a hair-thin membrane so strong that it creates an entirely new type of packaging, capable of holding more than 1,000 kilograms of flowable bulk product. It's contamination-free, airtight, and tough as nails. Linear low-density PE film is stretched between high-speed rollers, which in an instant changes the molecular structure of the plastic. The polymer molecules actually increase in strength as the film thins. The stretched film is instantly wrapped upward around a pallet-sized bag at exactly the rate at which the bag is being filled. The film is so thin that a dozen wraps total the thickness of a human hair, about 150 microns. But that web of film has been transformed into a high-strength belting of protective material which can contain any dry or frozen flowable bulk product. It takes less than a minute to make a CubiForm load on a high-speed filling system. Loads can be made to an exact weight or to a precise height. The CubiForm technology allows low-density materials to be packaged in containers which are 30% more space efficient. High-density products can be packaged in containers so efficient that the weight of packaging materials is reduced by 50% or more, a change which allows you to send more product and less packaging in each shipment. At the end of the filling cycle, a CubiForm load is quickly and easily sealed. In this example, a bag is simply folded downward along the side of the package, and then a few more revolutions add the overwrap, which creates an airtight and waterproof seal. At this sealing stage, labels can be added to mark the tamper-evident load. RFID tags, other codes, and print are easily read through the film. Environmentally friendly, the CubiForm system uses an absolute minimum of packaging material, and the material used is completely and easily recyclable. The cost of building a brand new CubiForm load is typically far lower than the cost to collect, inspect, and return a conventional box or bag for reuse. By altogether eliminating reverse logistics, the CubiForm system reduces environmental impact with a one-way shipping system. This package is clearly better. Transparent packaging allows for visual control over inventory and process management. Users appreciate the ability to see at a glance how much and what type of material is in a CubiForm load, helping you get things right at the shipping dock and on the factory floor. The CubiForm system creates space in your plant because it reduces the storage space requirements for packaging materials. A single CubiForm unit can hold 3 times as much flowable product as a typical bulk box or bin. A pallet load of empty FIBC bags, Gaylord totes, or Octabins will typically store enough packaging material to make 10 to 20 unit loads. But a pallet load of dust-free CubiForm film and bags will store enough material to make 200 to 300 CubiForm loads. This improvement in product density creates savings through the supply chain for you and your customers. Product protection is a key measurement of any packaging system, and CubiForm will exceed your expectations. The CubiForm system was developed to hold and ship breakfast cereals and fragile snack foods. In spite of its thin walls and light weight, CubiForm is proven to better protect your product. The reason is simple. A CubiForm load not only contains, it constrains the movement of the material packaged within. Here's how it works. The film's wrapping tension creates what is called hoop force, an easily adjustable inward-directed pressure. That force is precisely applied to the walls of the container load. The result is pressure so consistently distributed that no portion of the load is exposed to more than 15 grams per square centimeter, which is approximately 1 pound per square inch. To use a less scientific description, the force applied is about the same as a child's hug. Here, a CubiForm load which has been secured to a steel plate is tipped 90 degrees, then brought back to an upright position completely unharmed. Watch what happens when a load of powdery material is accidentally pierced. The multiple layers of tension film create a self-sealing barrier that outperforms standard bags and boxes. Your customers will prefer CubiForm loads for the same reasons that you like them. They are easy to load and unload, and they reduce interplant handling. CubiForm gets the job done faster and safer with less effort, and it does so at a lower cost than any other container. The style and structure of CubiForm containers can be made to meet any conventional configuration. Load from the top, unload from either side or bottom, and of course, CubiForm loads are also available in hanging versions and can be made with baffled liner bags for improved stackability. The best part, switching to a CubiForm system will save you money the first time you use it. You don't need to buy a CubiForm machine. It's rented at a low monthly fee and a small per container royalty is charged. The technology easily ties into the infrastructure you already have in place. The bags and film are widely available, and as a CubiForm customer, you are free to obtain those materials from any supplier you choose. Millions of patented CubiForm system loads have been shipped during the last 5 years. At one company, the improvement in freight density has reduced its shipping needs by more than 30,000 truckloads and sea containers per year. The CubiForm Systems technology is sturdy and reliable. It is also scalable and flexible. A comprehensive evaluation is done to assure that each user gets the system which is right for their specific requirements. CubiForm systems range from low-cost manual machines to fully integrated high-speed systems. You get simple-to-use technology that's right for your product and right for your budget. We would like to tell you more. Please contact us to get on the path to an environmentally superior, better performing, and lower cost CubiForm system.